Hello and welcome to Making with Indie. I'm Indie and today I'm showing you how to do a super simple grunge look. So I'm starting off by putting an extra layer of moisturizer on my face and then following that with a CC cream in light. I started to lightly apply it and then soon realised I actually needed quite a bit more. So what I think is cool about this is it starts white and then you rub it in and it really genuinely matches my skin tone. Next I'm using a jumbo pencil, which I find really difficult to open all the time. As you can see, it's a brown colour and it's got a nice shimmer. I think it's called French fries. So I'm just adding that all over my lid, up to my crease, and then I'm going to start blending that out with my finger. I'm using this as an eyeshadow base, just going straight in, doing it quite rough. It's grunge, it doesn't have to be neat. Putting that under the eye as well. And then using my little finger to smudge that out this time because it's a small area. So next I'm going to use a black gel eyeliner. You can use a pencil for this, but I didn't have one. So I'm just going to scoop a little bit of that out and use it quite lightly, sparingly, and smudge it all along my lash line. Not applying it as an eyeliner, but more as a darker eye thing. I totally just blanked then of what to describe this as, but yeah, you can see I'm going for a bit of a gradient. Then I'm using whatever's left on the brush and just sweeping it under the eyes, again not having it as a super harsh eyeliner. This look works even better if you have remaining eyeliner or like yesterday's makeup still on. So I'm going to set it with a dark brown eyeshadow because I really hate the tacky feeling on my eyes. I'm blending it out, but I'm not really going much higher than my crease because I really liked the shimmeriness of the pencil, so I didn't want to completely get rid of that. Then I'm setting under the eye as well, just to make sure it doesn't crease because it's very creaseable. So next I'm going to fake a 90s eyebrow, where I'm just going to draw a very thin line through my eyebrows in the middle, and then I'm going to brush them downwards and try and make my eyebrows kind of collect in the middle. I won't lie, I did this a lot better off camera, so I'll just fix that. Next I'm going to add a lot of mascara onto my upper lashes and lower, and also I didn't remove any of the mascara that I got on my eyelid, as in on the lower lashes. I just left it looking kind of a bit messy, but it really added to it. Wanted to add just a tiny little hint of colour on my cheeks, not anything overpowering. Word said before disaster. It ended up far too much, as you're going to see in a sec. Like, here we go. Oh no, realising. So I just tapped some more CC cream over that to really dilute the colour down. I wanted a dark vampy lip, but honestly, this is like the one NYX product that I really hate. These soft matte lip creams are just really shit, honestly. I don't like them. This came out looking more like a bright pink than the dark vampy colour, so here I'm using a Primark liquid lipstick in the darkest brown out of the set, and I'm just going to put that over it, and it makes a really nice vampy kind of reddy brown colour. So here's the finished look, and without faffing about filming, this took about 10 minutes. It's even better when you don't get straight strands of hair in your eyes. But there we go. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!